start to teach you how to play a guessing game. It has to do with what you hear. And I'm going to teach you a little bit of sign language. So here's the first part of our sentence that we are going to put together in sign language. It's the word I, and it looks like this, I. So you close your hand together and you put up your pinky. I. Let's try it one more time. I. Very good. Now the next word we're going to learn in sign language is hear. So we're going to make the letter L, and we are going to put it up to our ear. Our thumb touches our ear and our pointer finger is up. Hear. Let's put that together. Remember the first word? I. We're going to put that together. I hear. Very good. Let's try it again. I hear. One last time. I hear. Very good. So what we're going to do is I'm going to play a sound for you. And then after we hear the sound, we're going to guess what it is. Then we're going to put a sentence together, and I'm going to teach you how to say the word with your hands in sign language. Sound fun? Okay, let's listen to our very first sound. Clapping. Let's put that together in a sentence. Okay, so our first sound was clapping. This is how we say clapping with our hands in sign language. Great job. Let's make a sentence. I hear clapping. Let's try it again. I hear clapping. One more time. I hear clapping. Great job. Let's listen to the next sound. It's a clock. It's a clock. This is how you say clock in sign language. You point to your wrist and then make a shape of a clock on the wall. So it's point, shape of a circle or clock on the wall. Point and up. That's how you say clock. So let's make our sentence. I hear a clock. Let's do that again. I hear a clock. One last time. I hear a clock. Great job. Let's move on to the next sound. It's a cow. Okay, let's learn how to say cow in sign language. You're going to make the letter Y, so your pinky and your thumb up and close your other fingers. And you're going to put it to the top of your head and move it up. Cow, like their little horns. Cow. Try it again. Cow. Great job. Let's make a sentence. I hear cow. I hear cow. Very good. Let's do it one last time. I hear a Cow. Great job. Let's listen to the next sound. That sounds like blowing bubbles. Bubbles. Your hands make a round sign and then they pop. Bubbles. All right, let's try it. You do. Bubbles. Great. Let's make a sentence. I hear bubbles. Let's try it again. I hear bubbles. One last time. I hear bubbles. Great job. Let's listen to the next sound. Door closing. I hear a door closing. Door closing. I hear a door closing. What we're going to do for this one is we're going to put one hand out and one hand on its side, like the door is open, and we are going to close it. Close. Close the door. So you turn your hand and close the door. Close. Close. One more time. Close. Great job. Let's make a sentence. I hear a door close. I hear door close. One more time. I hear a door close. Very good. I'm so proud of you guys. This is tricky, but it's so much fun. Let's listen to the next sound. It's a camera. I hear a camera. Camera. I hear a camera. We're going to take our hands, so we're making the L shape, like we're holding a camera, and we're going to press down with our pointer finger. Camera. 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 Let's make a sentence. I hear camera. I hear camera. One more time. I hear a camera. Barking. I hear barking. Barking. I hear barking. This is how we sign barking. Barking. Like the mouth of a dog. Barking. Try it one more time. Barking. Let's make a sentence. I hear barking. I hear barking. One more time. I hear barking. Cheering. I hear people cheering. Okay, so this is cheering. Cheering is the same as clapping like we did in the first one, or shouting hooray. So we are actually going to use the same sign for cheering that we would for clapping, because that's what we're doing. We're cheering someone on when we clap and we're happy. We are going to make the same sound. So again, it's up in the air. Cheering. I hear cheering. Let's do it again. I hear cheering. One last time. I hear cheering. Doorbell. I hear a doorbell. Doorbell. What we're going to do doorbells, we're going to stick our thumb up like this, close our hand, and we're just going to pretend as if we're pressing the doorbell. 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 Let's make a sentence. I hear doorbell. I hear doorbell. One last time. I hear a doorbell. Great job. Footsteps. I hear footsteps. Footsteps. This is how we will say footsteps in sign language, like we're walking. It's the same sign as walking. Footsteps. You try. Good. Let's make a sentence. I hear footsteps. I hear footsteps. One last time. I hear footsteps. Great job, friends. Well, that was our last sound. I hope you guys had fun, and I hope you learned some really cool words. I want you to remember that I hear sentence so we can continue to use it at our next game, or if you need to use it in your class, you can tell your teacher, I hear something. All right, friends, I'll see you next week with some more Guess the Sound games. Bye.